Hi everyone. Today is one of the lesser known David Gates solo hits, but with the help of my good friend Sean McBride on saxophone, a great song, Took the Last Train. You ready, Sean? It's after 3. 1, 2, 3. Took the last train to Central Bay. Had in mind to dance a night away. Experimented with the cognac high. When in France you give everything a try. Soon the crowd had dwindled down to 2. Not a soul around but me and you. You just smiled and bent and took my hand. Spoke the words, I tried my best to understand. You're telling me, viens chez moi, ce soir n'est jamais terminé. On va rester toujours ensemble. You're telling me, come with me tonight. Woke next day and found her note. Love you, goodbye, that's all she wrote. And every night down at that place we met, I wait for her, those sweet words I can't forget. You're telling me, viens chez moi, ce soir va jamais terminer. On va rester toujours. Took the last train